Rastafari. This is good the friend in the mic, teaching the world in reggae music. Listen this song. When you wake up in the morning, look in the street, you will see the woman looking for business. When you wake up in the morning, looking in the street, you will see the woman looking for business. They making different business, holiday to take care the children. They have a children, but the children doesn't have no father. The father live with the children with the woman. Hey, where is the fathers of the children? Hey, I wanna know, where is the fathers of the children? Calling all the men to listen and understand what I'm talking about, in this music. Yeah. If you really don't want a children, why do you have it? If you want a children, find a woman that you wanna marry, 'cause you'll take care of the children with that woman.
Masterminding, novidade.
Beach Production.
Hey, where is the fathers of the children? Hey, I wanna know, where is the fathers of the children? This is to all the men that deliver the children with women without taking care, and then you work in the office, drinking coffee all the morning, and the children's in the street finding something to eat. You have to know that it's not all women caring well the children. That's why the children become in the street, and then we call the street children. That is not right here. 'Cause you know that the blood that run in you is the same as the blood in that children you live on the way. Where is the fathers of the children? Hey, I wanna know, where is the fathers of the children? Hey, where is the fathers of the children? Hey, I wanna know, where is the fathers of the children?